सब्सक्राइब एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन एंड नेवर मिस एन अपडेट फ्रॉम अस। टेक ट्यूटोरियल्स के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल फेनोमेनल स्कूल और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें। Hello and welcome to the Phenomenal School. This is Puneet and this is the fourth video of Kotlin Programming. In this video we are going to cover how to use basic syntax, comments, variable and data type in Kotlin Programming. So guys, without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, we will discuss about how to create comments in Kotlin Programming. So guys, if we want to create a single line comment, we have to use double forward slash, and if we want to create a multi-line comment, we have to use forward slash with star as the opening tag and star and forward slash as a closing tag. So guys, in this way we can create single line and multi-line comments. Now the question is how to create a variable in Kotlin programming. So guys, in Kotlin, variable can be created by using var and val keyword. What is the difference between var and val keyword? Val and var both are used to declare a variable. Var is like a general variable and it's known as a mutable variable in Kotlin and can be assigned multiple times. Val is like a constant variable and it's known as the immutable in Kotlin and can be initialized only single time. So guys, if you want to create a constant variable, you have to use val, and if you want to create a changeable variable, you have to use var keyword. So guys, let's take a look to the programming section. So guys, this is our IntelliJ IDEA, and this is our hello world program that we have created yesterday. Now I'll show you how to make it a single line comment. So guys, if you want to make this line a single line comment, you have to simply type double forward slash. As you can see, this line is a comment line. Now if you want to create a multi-line comment, you have to simply type forward slash with a star and press enter. As you can see, the closing tag is already here. Now if you want to print anything, in between these two tags, the line will automatically be a comment. So as you can see, line 1 is a comment line, line 2 is a comment line as well, line 3 is a comment line. So guys, in this way you can create a single line and multi-line comment in Kotlin programming. Now guys, I'll show you how to use val keyword. Guys, val is a constant variable. If you create a val, if you use a val keyword, you cannot change the value of data type. So guys, let's see how it works. Val a is equal to 10. Now if you want to print this, simply type print ln and type a and simply run this project. So guys, simply run this project and click here run, and now as you can see that we have 10 value. And now if you now let's check whether its value is changeable or not. So simply press a and let's change its value to 11. Now as you can see, there is an error. It is because val value cannot be changed because it's a constant variable. You cannot change its value. So guys, if you want to make a changeable variable data type, you have to use var instead of val. So guys, as you can see, there is no error, and if we run this project, we can see that the new value is 11. As we can see, the new value is 11 and it is changeable. So guys, this is the difference between val and var. Val is a constant variable, we cannot change its value, but var is a changeable variable, we can change its value at any time. So guys, now let's make more programs related to var. Now simply type var a, it's an integer value. Now simply type var b, it is double value 1.0. Now var c, it's a character value, simply type a. Var d is a string value, simply type my name. And now we'll use double value, simply type e and now we will use floating value 1.0 f. Where it's a long value. Now we have one more, it's a boolean value, simply type true. Now let's print these values and simply type println and current value is, simply you have to type plus and pass a. Now you have to copy this line and simply paste it here. Now you have to change it to double. So guys, as you can see, all variables are initialized and its value is now. Simply you have to run this project. As you can see, our program is working. In this way you can print any value by using println command, and you can create variable data types in Kotlin programming. So guys, this is the way you can create comments, variable and data type in Kotlin programming. If you like this video, please press the like button and share this video as much as you can. Guys, if you want more video in Kotlin programming, simply subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned with us.